He bought you a $24,000 chain just like that?
$5 billion. You want time today? No wahala now. I'll call you back. Let me talk to my accountant.
The person you just described is a very serious player. He might even be dangerous.
You haven't seen anything yet. First food, then drinks. For dessert, I'll offer you a live animal.
So where's the chain? Welcome to my humble abode. Have a seat. Hey, so how are you?
Yeah, we are managing, still teaching Kizomba. But I must say you've made the right choice. It's exercise at the same time. It's a whole body therapy. You've made the right choice.
So tell me, how long would it take for me to master the Kizomba?
It's very easy for ladies. Normally, you are at the receiving end. It's quite difficult for guys.
Really?
Very, very
I can't wait.
In a matter of 2 weeks, you should be fine.
So let's get started.
Right, let me fix my speakers.
Who is that? I don't know. But your mom seems to be all over him.
Everything in here, right? Yes, sir. Okay, go. You can go now. Just go. Here, your money.
Thank you.
I can leave, right?
Yes.
Never again will I put myself through such torture. I wonder what drives these crazy escapades. Or do I need help? It will be fair to say I'm a loser when it comes to men. It is true. The stats are not good. But that's all behind me now. I've never been one to cry over spilt milk. What doesn't kill you can only make you stronger, Abby.
Ma, who is that?
Who?
That man.
Oh, he's my Kizomba teacher.
Kizomba teacher.
Yeah, Pedro. He'll be coming twice in a week. You can join us.
Does Daddy know he's here?
Pure! That's none of your business.
Me?
Shh. You are way out of line here. She doesn't need Daddy's permission to learn Kizomba.
Yeah, I'm ready.
Anyway, me, I'll join them.
Me too.
Hello.
Hi.
Please, can I access MTN mobile money service here?
Oh, yes, you can.
Good. I need to send some money to some suppliers in North.
We take good care of that. Shoppers, please come with me. Please stand here.
All right.
you?
You look sportingly gorgeous.
Oh, really? Thank you. Anyway, where's Habiba?
She's at her favorite spot.
Oh, I didn't see her.
Mama, she.
Okay, I'll be back.
She.
So what are you so seriously browsing?
I told you about my online diploma.
Oh, yeah, you mentioned it. More power to you, girl.
Charlie, how for do I'm trying to catch up, or is it keep pace? You know how fast things are moving these days.
I know.
But you're not looking bad yourself.
Really?
Some power jogging.
Some power walking, jogging. I need to maintain my muscle tone, you know.
You're doing it.
Wow, that's quite a nice bag. Quite classy. I like it.
Right on cue. Hey,
Look at you.
So good to see you guys.
I can see Alaji is taking very good care of you.
My dear, we are both taking care of each other.
Wow.
Anyway, long time no see.
How will you see us when you are busy marrying? I forget you, Obia.
My dear, now they are to chacha.
I mean, the man takes care of me. He practically gives me everything I need. So tell me, what would I be doing chasing you these dry bones?
Hey. Excuse you.
Yeah, careful watching.
You better watch your mouth.
My new baby. Kente, you know who?
C'est très bon. Lucky you. You got the good Anago man.
Don't go there.
But what's she talking about?
The last Anago man I met, I had to pay for dinner, pay for a hotel room. And he ended up buying me expensive jewelry, which he stole back.
Alekiai. Are you serious?
Breathe in and out. Kizomba is a dance of soul and spirit. It strives on harmony, peace, and oneness. To be good at it, you have to tap in your inner soul, connect to your inner being, banish all negativity, be positive. This will allow you to take a perfect lead from the gentleman.
I have a dream. I am dreaming. I can see a handsome, well-built young man approaching. Yes. Oh, yes. He has lifted me up into his strong arms. Oh. Hey.
Such is the power of meditation. It evokes intense manifestation.
Bagawaya.
Upapawaya.
Wait, so are you going to leave that man to go scot-free?
What am I supposed to do, my dear? Go to the police and tell them this embarrassing story?
Why not? He defrauded you. He is a con artist, a thief.
My dear, he only taught me a very harsh lesson, that's all.
Seriously, I shudder to think of his next victim. Men like this man should be locked up for life.
Say that again. He shall surely meet his just reward.
Guys, please, what's with all this gloom and doom? Relax. As you can see, I'm fine. Okay, so let's just lighten up. Good? I suggest we take a spin in your new baby.
I second.
The keys.
Oh, no.
I'll drive.
I'll drive.
Oh, Bridget, I've driven all sorts of cars, my dear.
That's not frontage out.
Be careful, it's very sensitive, okay? It's still new.
So how do you feel now? Yeah, like I said, it's a whole therapy section for the human body.
This isn't supposed to be happening. I have to do something about it.
Hey.
do anything rash. Besides, nothing has happened yet.
Do you want to wait for something to happen first? You see, they are still at it. Bombo clads.
Jojo!
Dad, do you know what's happening in the house?
Do you know what you have done?
I'm a man, what do you expect?
Do you know this could tear this family apart?
I will not live a lie.
I can explain. Alima, okay? Do the packing. Hey, she.
Yes, my dear.
You're looking dapper.
What do you expect? I'm she, the conqueror.
Really? It's debatable, but hey, I'll let it slide.
Oh, you better, or else you will face my wrath.
Guess who's calling? Aji on the line. Charlie, go inside. Go and check yourself out. Let me pick this phone.
Alima,
Yes, Mama Shi.
how are you?
Fine, thank you, Mama Shi.
Great. So you are the madam here now, huh? You know what? You need to be dutiful, okay? Take good care of this place. You see how Abiba left the other shop for Sadia?
Yes, Mama Shi.
Anyway, just keep doing your thing, you know. Just do what you're told to do. Make sure everything is in order, okay?
Excuse me, Mama Shi. Hi, hello. Welcome. Thank you. What exactly do you want?
Okay. Take care. Bye.
Are you cool, my dear?
It's Gordo and Bank of Africa.
Plus your hard work.
Thank you.
That's quite some hot piece you got in there. Alima.
You don't say. I have been trying to tone her down. But...
Oh, please, don't kill her spirit. Let her be. She's got drawing power, you know. She'll draw all the guys see.
Typical. So you think all a woman has is her sensuality, eh?
No, not really, but this is what God has given us. You know, and you don't have to be afraid to use it.
Talking about assets, hey, come for the latest gist.
Really? Cool. I can't wait to...
Guess what? Haji has invited us over for lunch.
That's nice of her. What's the occasion?
Viewing of her new home.
Alaji.
Bam.
DJ Breezy.
Hey, Grace. Oh, who are you?
I'm vexed.
Grace.
Why, you boy?
For your pockets inside.
Pourquoi, honey?
Oh, why?
What's wrong, darling? Pourquoi?
I've been sitting here for how many hours?
Oh, yeah. Come on. Come on.
I'm not going. No.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, have I missed something?
Hey, would you continue? Well, we have an invitation for lunch, dear.
Lunch? Who is he? What's funny? Bibia, who is he? It's Hajia. She's invited us over for lunch. She wants to show us her new home. New house? After the new car?
My dear, some people have all the luck.
Why? Who's calling? Hey, Grace, it's Simpson. And you are not picking? No. This is the 10th time he's calling today. The tables have turned.
What do you mean?
He fainted yesterday.
What?
He couldn't stand the heat from my bedroom. Huh? He drove in to find Pedro and I together.
In bed?
Grace.
Girl, you're getting my spirit. That's my kind of girl.
Hey, let's go, why? Time anyhow. We are running late.
Let's go. I gave him a taste of his own medicine.
He couldn't stomach it, eh?
She said purple, lilac, burgundy, and this has all the colors. It should be this house. Let's try it.
I have a mumu. Hey, I think you're papa. Wow.
Okay, so let me just call her. Yeah, hello, Ajia. I think we are in front of your house. Yes. Yeah. Oh, you're not here? Oh, Alaji is in there. Oh, okay. All right.
At Oniho.
Bossy Alaji, let's go.
Oh, okay.
I love this. Just my kind of house. Whoa.
Wow.
That's the house.
Are you fool? Hey.
Wow.
Acting.
I think it's just one.
25. Oh, it's nice. Same. Odini Sikena. Esi that one man 19.
Wow, this is really beautiful. Chief! Cuckoo! This is the Nigerian man who duped me!
Say that again.
Chief from Kushala, whoever he's called, the same man who used me, stole from me and disappeared.
Wait, so what are we going to tell Alaji?
What are we going to do? What? Yeah, the queen and talker. Yeah, you mistake the Grammy. Let me just come out. Come and meet Gracie. Mommy, Papa. Hey, Mommy, Papa. Where you flat to do? Alaji, Ompie. Hey, Alaji, I said come out until Minka. Gracie. Hey, who and you who there? Me couldn't talk when I come for now church room. Now church room. Hey, come out. I said come out. Hey, me couldn't talk when you go, baby. Come out. I'll show you that I'm a woman. I'll show you that I am Gracie. Me kunu kofu dwam na wo kyerɛkyerɛ mu. Hey, mama charge you.
VVIP. Senadagadu.
Bashigi. Somebody enter Kolo. That's all. Make her enter Kolo.
Pass me the palm wine.
Somebody enter Kolo. See everybody. Make you hold somebody. Drink and jolly. Tell me how you feeling. Is it sexual healing? Or you feeling irate? This what we do before we do the show. Make you move your body where the music they go.
Somebody enter Kolo.
And you never see.
Make her enter, make her go ahead. And if you know the film, I'm at a Charlie, make you go away. I no get time, where I just go on through way. So make her boss a lyric, we go inside into your head. Kumbaya, on fire. Allow I'ma make the beat just take you higher. VVIP ever inspire. And you know say Senadi never expire.